welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Hospital Finder using Google API. Abstract of our project. The app utilizes the device GPS capabilities to determining the user current locations. It based the service to identify the nearby hospital within the specific radius. The user interface is designed to intensive and user friendly. The user can easily navigate through the app to the search for the hospitals, view details, and obtain the distance to the selected hospital. The app provided comprehensive information about each hospital, including name, address, contact details, and service offered. The information help user make informed decision based on their specific needs. Integration navigation feature provided user with the step-by-step direction to the selected hospital. They ensure that the user can easily and quickly reach their destination, especially during the emergency situation. The app integrates the real-time data to ensure the information about the hospitals and their services contact details are up to date. The feature enhances the app reliability. The usefulness separate review section for our app, and admin can be view the review. Flow diagram of our project. User can be register or log into the app, then open automatically give the permission, asking the permission for the current location. Then if your users allow, go to the map. If I disagree, then you get the map is not working. Then it's a view map, automatically viewing map using the Google API. Then all the nearby hospitals in your current locations fully viewed by the Google by the our app. And if you want to go to the app with hospital, then get the direction from the your current location. Then review the hospital in Gmail, so in Gmail or Google account. Otherwise, review the app using our reviews. Then the review can be viewed by admin. Admin also having the total number user list, total number of users having open and close the or register our app. Admin have the default login and password. Next, this is our app. This is our user app. Then this is admin app. First of all, we see it user app. Okay. Then user app. This is login page, or if you sign up page. Enter the sign up username. Example. ROM, mobile number, mail ID, ram at gmail.com. Password is 123456. Settings like simple password. Then click sign up button. Then register successfully. Go to the login page. ram at gmail.com. Password is 123456. Press the enter button. Login successfully. This is allowing access for your current location. Then click allow. Wait for the getting current location. Then this is taking the hospital list here. See here, for example, I click the ARR hospital. Then if ARR hospital images, all the details get from the Google Map API. Then click review. then go to the automatically AR hospital private limited that is printed in the name, hospital name. Type your messages, good hospital, and then click submit. Then it's successfully submitted. Then we go to the see higher admin page. Then admin, username is admin and password is 123456. Then click login. Then user details. See here, these are all the our user details, like these are all our user details, our like last row ram, this is our user. Then review list, here hospital private limited company. If you click that, then we will see the review, hospital good review. That's all, thank you.